Our new order guides on myHelpdesk consolidate a multitude of related services that departments can request into one form. The IP phone and call center services order guide allows you to submit requests like new phones, user updates, ACDQ services, and more. With the computer service request order guide, you can submit requests like new computer connects, relocations, security, and variances. Both forms eliminate the need for multiple requests. To submit a request using our order guides, visit myHelpdesk and type IP phone and call center services or computer service request in the search bar. Alternatively, you can also select Request Something and look for the form in the right category. Once you find the form, select a request type. Based on your selection, the form will update with fields that you need to fill out in order to submit the request. Fill out all of the requested details and click Next. On the following page, you'll be able to select options for your request. In this case, I selected a new phone, so I'll click on that item to expand it and choose the type of phone I'll need, class of service, display name, and more. When you're done selecting your options, click Next. You can also click Previous to go back and make any changes to your request. You may have more than one item in your request, so be sure to expand each one and enter the required information. The summary page gives you a final view of everything you've requested before submitting your request. If anything looks incorrect, select Edit Options to go back and make changes. But if you're ready to move forward, click Request. And done! As always, you'll receive an automated email from myHelpdesk with your request details. Visit myhelpdesk.weill.cornell.edu and use our order guides the next time you need to place a request for your department.